I have around 40,000 cash and I'm interested in real estate business that can be bringing cash flow. How can I start? Well, if you've got $40,000, I would definitely suggest keeping 10,000 of it, and that might be a little low. I don't know what market you're in. I don't know the average home prices in your area. I would honestly look for areas where your money can go a lot further. And it really depends on what you want out of life, right? So, it really depends on like what your long-term goals are and what you want to use these funds for, what you want to build it to. If you're looking to like drastically change your financial situation very quickly, then I would recommend moving and taking like drastic measures. Move somewhere where your dollar is going to go the furthest, right? So like $40,000 in California is like a drop in the bucket, really won't get you much. $40,000 in the Midwest, you can do whatever you want to, right? So there are properties here in Ohio that, I mean, still, even in the market, it's gone up tremendously. You can still buy a property that is, rent ready, move in ready for 55, 65,000. So if you're bankable, if you can get a loan on that, then the down payment on the $55,000 house or a $60,000 house is what, 20 grand? Let's do so 25% down on the $60,000 house is 15 grand. Throw in another 2 grand for closing costs, all in 17 grand. You now have 23 grand left over, a rental property that's going to be cash flowing. You could do that again and dip below that $10,000 mark, just barely. And then you have two rental properties and $10,000. That's a really solid position to be in. I mean, $40,000 is a lot of money. So, congrats on having that much money. Congrats on having the discipline to keep that much money, right? So, you're already set up for success. It's just a matter of what are you trying to do? How fast are you trying to do it? And where do you want to do it?
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.